Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machine Repair. We're going to do a test shot on a Gaggia Espresso. This came in with a, I guess it was a clogged group head. The whole boiler had to be taken apart, and there's a little stem. We cleared the obstruction, has new gaskets. Anyway, let's see how we brew here. Oh, and it's a little fast to test coffee, but and there we go. It was a nice shot, good crummer. We'll test some steam here. That wasn't an issue anyway. There we go. As it purges, steam's nice and strong. But what we'll show here is the brew group with a nice shower flow there. Anyway, there you go. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our page. Thank you very much.